Here you go, folks. Behind the scenes with Team Aardema at the Bonneville World Finals recently in September. You're going to see behind the scenes on how a quick change rear end is swapped out. No fancy video edits, raw video. Here you go. Cal Rothe, Kevin Braun, Pete Aardema, and Scott are going to explain how it's all done.
Well, this is part of the drive system of the car, and this is where we are able to change gear ratios with just small increments rather than changing the whole major components within the differential. What I'll do is I'll take this cover piece off there and just be 2 large gears on there. Slide one off, spin them around, and plug them back on.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. I want to see this. So that's it. You just pull that cover off.
Yeah.
Just kind of flip the gears.
Yeah.
Spin them off, pop the other ones on, and you're ready to go.
Pretty much. I think Kevin's got 2 more gears for it possibly, but that's the same thing.
Now, Pete, you're mounting the nitrous oxide right now. All right. You gotta come on this side. I want to see this.
Sure.
Extract it.
Where's the hot roll?
Taking a while to drain, isn't it?
Oh yeah. That's why I'm hesitant on the last
bolt. I know where you're going with that. Keep some pressure on that bad boy.
There, make sure I get the washer with it. The bottom bolt has an O-ring on it even, so.
Let's see, now you can tilt the top out. Oh, we might make a little mess.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it drain just another minute. Oh, she's stuck. Yeah.
Well, it's still draining.
Yeah, once we pop that.
Still draining, Kevin.
Yeah, it's gonna drain forever. And that is more than fill that. So you gotta pull it and get it clear. Okay.
Take the block of wood or take the ratchet and tap it. The ratchet and hit the. Just break it loose with the. It's coming.
Here it comes. Yep. Catching it all.
I'll catch it.
Okay. Hold this. Hand it to me. I got it.
Boy, this is officially quick, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Okay. All yours.
Kevin doesn't waste any fucking time. Kevin doesn't waste time here, folks. He knows what he's doing. Gonna get that thing in and out.
There you go.
You want to start by hand? Or are you good?
I just get them snug. Just trying to slow the oil down.
Not only do you drive, you got to work for it, don't you?
Yeah, baby. I'm pretty good with the wrench and a screwdriver.